So, how's it going, people? Oh, that's backwards. Hold on a second. There. So, I'm going to explain how Esau is white. Okay? So, right here, this is where the tribes of Israel were staying, right? Before they branched out into Egypt, where the corn was and stuff like that, where the famine was, and they got enslaved here. Okay? They branched off from here, went across from boats, right? Tribes went this way to the Asias, and then tribes took off from boats over here, and then tribes went off from boats over here. Okay? Now, to cross the land of Canaan, okay, they had to cross here to get through, and here to get through. Okay? This is what they had to do to explain that. Now, during the tribe, since they were following the laws, statutes, and commandments, right? Hold on a second. Don't want this timing out on me. Since they had to follow the laws, statutes, and commandments, right? They only bred within their tribe. That's two nations in the womb, okay? One tribe that split off from Jacob and made 12. Okay? Esau was by himself. It didn't say anything in the books or the scriptures that he married with any within the tribe, at all with his brother's tribe. What he did was, since he was a hunter-gatherer, right, he went up here, okay, in these areas, and started fucking with the Mongoloids, who are now called in Neanderthals, the Neanderthals, the beast of the land. Okay, he fucked around with those. And through fucking around with those people here, in this land, he built many fucking nations of different kinds. Okay? He made the Asians, he made the Arabs, he made all these different nations. Okay? All these different nations. Right? And through his seed alone, he had a perpetual hatred for everybody of Jacob. The 12 tribes that went across here, over here, across, from over here, across to here, across over there. They ended up over there. Over here. Okay, see? These two lands were attached. From here to here. These lands were attached. From across. If we pretend this is a flat train. Okay? And they went across from here. Okay? That's the reasons why in the book he had to go through Jacob's land. Okay? Not Jacob's, but Canaan's land. Sorry.